If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to never miss any update from our channel.
Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Pass, and today I'm here with the review of Android Oreo in MI1 after using it for 3 months. So MI1 is the best mid-range smartphone as of now, and it's the first Android One device from Xiaomi. So I used it and I found a lot of changes that were bundled in the Oreo update. So when I bought it, it was bundled with Android Nougat, and for some people they had a lot of bugs, and for some they were very happy with the Oreo update as the UI changed, and I didn't face any major issues or bugs in the Oreo update. It was working fine for me. So let's check out the changes. As you can see, the notification panel has changed. The background, it has become quite white, and also the icons were became black, and the settings icon you have changed, and the settings UI has been changed, and now you get a bundle inside all the systems changes. Here you can get the time and all, and another thing it has gave in the storage, you can free up the space, or you can just manage your storage, how much your photos or videos have been occupied, and by this you can manage your RAM as well as the storage. The major bugs that people faced was that when we swipe down or swipe up the fingerprint, the notification panel used to come down, like you can see here, and it was being pulled out from the Oreo update, which disappointed many users. But kudos to those who just have enabled the settings in Nougat update. They were just using it and they were happy with it. So now let's check out the major changes that has been done in the Oreo update. So first is the fingerprint response has been improved a lot from the Nougat update. So before in the Nougat running Android in the MI1, it delayed quite much. So after the Oreo update, now it's again the response is quite fast after the Oreo update. So I felt the change in this fingerprint sensor. So now let's move to our second, that is the sound quality. Sound quality is phenomenal in the MI1 device from the Nougat update, and big thumbs up to Xiaomi for doing a great job here. The sound quality is just awesome, and the headphone jack, I'm really impressed with the headphone jack quality. That is, whenever I hear with the headphone jack while traveling, then it gives a lot more good experience from other devices which I have used. So the major so here is not a lot of change, but the quality is almost same, and I liked it very much. So guys, you also comment down below if you feel any quality change in the sound. So comment down. Let's talk about the charging time. Many posts came regarding that MI1 will support fast charging after the Oreo update. But for me, I didn't notice any major change. Maybe there is a slight difference of 5 to 10 minutes, but that doesn't matter much. Earlier also it took around 1 hour 30 to 35 minutes, but also now it also same. So the battery life is almost same. It gives the screen on time to 4 to 5 hours, and if I'm on the traveling, it gave me around 3 to 4 hours, which is quite a bit disappointing. Earlier in Nougat I used to get from 4 to 5 in normal usage when I used to travel, but now it is around 3 to 4 hours. So here I felt is some of the users are telling that they faced a lot of network issues, like they are getting disconnected from the Wi-Fi or the mobile data that they are using. Maybe due to the operators they're using, or maybe due to the area. So you can check it out by moving to some other area to check it, or you can just swipe to the other operators. So I didn't face any such network issues. As of now, I'm using the Airtel 4G and BSNL, so I'm getting a full network in my area. So if you feel any further issues, do comment down. And the camera is also working fine. It works perfect in this part, and Xiaomi has done a great job in portrait mode, and I bet you that no other device portrait mode is as good as MI A1, and I like the portrait mode a lot. And so MI, the bokeh and the color contrast looks awesome and also the colors are quite natural. So guys, if you're facing any issues, I would recommend you to do a full factory reset after the Oreo update if you're facing. This will help you a lot in fixing those minor issues, and you will get a better experience. So you can also now buy the MI1, as it has a price cut of 1000, that is now you get it at around 13,999 over Flipkart. And also since the Note 5 and Note 5 Pro also launched, so you can check those out. So that's it for the video guys, hope you like it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.